Verona, the city that inspired Romeo and Juliet, and you're stuck reading a laminated pamphlet in a crowd of 30. Rushed past Juliet's house, rushed past the Verona arena, a guide keeping 30 strangers moving with no time to actually take it in. Uvamai's Verona self-guided audio tour puts 10 of the city's richest stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and wander at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Start where the bard's own bust watches over Corso Porta-Nuova. Stand inside the ancient Verona arena. Wander Piazza delle Erbe, where a Roman forum still beats as a market today. Cross the storied Ponte Pietra and climb toward Castel San Pietro for the view Verona keeps for those who linger. 10 stops. One unforgettable walk through the city of star-crossed lovers. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Verona, not just photograph it. $6. 6 days of access. Explore Verona your way. Your Verona story is one link away at uvamai.com.